Okay, let's do some beef stroganoff. So if I go into my screen, under my week, I've programmed it into today. So I'm going to say start cooking. They ask to put the aroma on top of your, and then to measure in Savoy cabbage. I didn't have Savoy, so this is normal cabbage. Then after that, we set the aroma aside. Now we're going to put parsley inside. So put in the measuring cup and 3 seconds. I'm going to just scrape that down. We can't do onions, so we just do celery. Tear it. Next is oil. It's nice how it measures as I'm pouring in. 30 grams of oil. Next, I'm going to put the splash guard on top. This is the new high heat function of the TM6. Okay, now for 3 minutes, you're going to cook. So hear that sizzle. With the TM6, you get this sizzling sound, and the blades also stop turning in between. You can just imagine the smell you'll get from onions cooking this way. Smells amazing. Now, just going to put in our measuring cup. Okay, scrape down the sides. I'm going to show you the rich color you get with a high heat function. Okay, now we're going to add our beef fillet. And then put the splash guard on again. Get to brown that meat. Okay, nice and browned the meat. So we'll just scrape a bit, and then add the mushrooms. Tomato paste. I didn't have all the mushrooms, but that's good enough. There's tomato paste, 50 grams. White wine. I don't have meat stock paste, but I'll use my vegetable stock paste. and then ground paprika, a tablespoon of paprika, salt, I'll put salt later, and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Now we're going to put the aroma on top so that the cabbage can steam while the stroganoff is cooking. There we go. Okay, so it's asking to set the aroma aside. We can just check and see if the cabbage is cooked enough. I reckon that's steamed enough. If it wasn't, you could prolong the cooking time. Then we're going to add 100 grams of sour cream and stir it through. There we go. Stir it through and then you can dish up. Beautiful stroganoff. There's some more at the bottom. Beautiful stroganoff.